Hello budding artists and creative minds. Welcome to my channel Watching You. Today, I'll be drawing and walking you through the character Oren from Incredibox Sprunki. I used the cap of a bottle to draw the curve easily and quickly. You can try this method too, or you can even use a compass to draw the curved part. If you are good at freehand drawing, you can try that as well. I'd like to introduce you to Oren, a fascinating alien-like sprunki who bears a striking resemblance to Simon. You'll notice Oren's distinctive features, including his pair of alien-like antennae and headphones, as well as a hair tuft that faces downward. As the first character and beat in the Incredibox mod Sprunki, Oren has a unique personality. He's laid back and often uses slang terms in his speech. Interestingly, Oren is confirmed to be in a relationship with Pinki, making them the first canonical ship in the series, as stated by NyankoBFLOL. The origin of Oren's name is twofold. It references his orange color, and it's also a masculine name of Hebrew origin, meaning pine. One of Oren's quirks is his affection for bunnies, which might explain why he's drawn to Pinki. The feeling is mutual, as Pinki admires Oren for being cool. Oren's friendships are also worth noting. He's particularly close to Simon and Durpel, forming a strong bond with these characters. Let me tell you more about Oren, the endearing alien-like sprunki. Despite his striking resemblance to Simon, they're not related, just the best of friends. Similarly, Oren and Ratty don't share any familial ties. I've observed that Oren has a certain charm that's hard to resist. Pinki, for instance, was drawn to him because of his cool demeanor. What's interesting about Oren is that his antennae are a natural part of his being, not just a fashion statement. Although, they don't seem to serve any particular purpose. Oren's got some impressive skills, too. He's an expert skateboarder, which is remarkable considering he doesn't have legs. He's also a music lover, often listening to tunes with his trusty headphones. In fact, he's quite particular about his headphones and wouldn't appreciate it if someone were to take them off. As for his inspirations, Oren's appearance is actually based on a character named Slick from the show Oddbods. When it comes to his interests, Oren enjoys playing games with his friend Simon, and they're both quite skilled. He's also a fan of Fortnite, often playing with Simon, Garnold, and Clucker. In terms of his personal life, Oren doesn't have a job, but he does have a passion for pizza. It's his favorite food. He's also known for using slang when speaking, which adds to his laid-back personality. Unlike some of the other characters, Oren isn't into collecting things. However, he does share a tendency with Simon to potentially develop a gambling addiction. As I explore the world of Sprunkies, I notice that Oren shares a common trait with several other characters. He has a distinctive accessory, his trusty headphones. In fact, he's one of 11 characters with unique accessories, including Veneria's wig, Pinki's bow, and Mr. Fun Computer's hat. Interestingly, Oren's name has a Dutch meaning related to ears, which suits his love for music. Speaking of music, I've observed that Oren's favorite instrument is likely the drums, particularly the kick or bass drum. This makes sense, given that he plays the drums in-game. One thing that sets Oren apart from other sprunkies is his resemblance to Simon. While they share some similarities, there are also some notable differences. For instance, Oren's hair points downwards, whereas Simon's hair points upwards. Additionally, Oren's antennae are angled, unlike Simon's straight antennae, which is also a characteristic shared by Funbot. I used alcoholic markers for Oren's drawing, specifically vermilion and orange for his body, and light brown for his antennae and headphones. I also used a 360 protractor, also known as a circle master, to draw most of the sprunky drawings. I bought it for 25 bucks. You can try using one, or alternatives like a bottle lid or geometry compass. I drew other characters from Sprunki, such as Wenda, Veneria, Mr. Tree, Derple, Gray, Ratty, Mr. Funbot, Brud, Owax, and many more. I have included clickable links at the top of the page and at the end of the video. You can check out those videos as well. Kindly leave a comment letting me know whether you liked this video or share your thoughts about it, it really helps. I hope you liked this video. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.